I'm filming.
Ikaw ba naman binabad sa tubig?
Chichi, what's that? Magandang buhay. My God,
buhay,
it's
my
there.
poet. Ang poet.
Tapon na natin yung mga tubig. Patay na po.
Patay na pala? Ah, kawawa talaga. Kanino to? Baka naman magtampo yung pagtatapunan nito. Okay, we're free.
Di patay na nga. Isa na lang ang buhay.
Siya na ang
Yeah.
buhay.
Where's Daddy? Mauna-una na kami at naiinip na siya. Okay.
Daddy, mauna na kami. Come.
Ito na yung lalagyan natin.
Nang ano?
May lalagyan na kaming bucket, Dad. Okay.
Frank, wait for us. Wait for us.
Ah, really? That. Because I'm waiting 1 hour.
Para yatang nagagalit ah. Ay, may tama na rin ang anak ko.
Dito na tayo. Swimming ako sa mababang tubig.
Matabil-tabil na rin ah.
Liit ng ano. Doon sa malayo.
C'est bon, ton sac plastique?
Matabil-tabil si Chichi ah. Daming ang ano, ha? Lots of crabs. The place is very beautiful, but you need to be like a cowboy. Not too much comfort. Tolerance comfort mo, it's like 30%. Kasi hindi pa siya well developed.
Compare.
Yeah.
You are quite have some comfort because you have your own restroom.
Yeah, totoo yun po. Yung kubo na rent namin. Kaya lang ang difference, you pay 4,500 pero hindi po lahat pare-pareho. May isang kubo po na isa lang yung bed niya. Tapos pag nag-rent po kayo ng another parang kutsyon, you pay I think 250. Tapos yung isang kubo naman, dalawa yung kama niya, no? So 2 families pwede. 2 families or 2 person, 3 person. Kasi medyo...
But it will be better if it will be possible to do some fire very close to your home. So maybe you can cook, you can cook, share.
Yeah, but they have this like a place to cook it for everyone. Parang did you see? Lot of coconut, ah?
Coconut?
Yeah. Oh, that's coconut. Ito, pwede natin itong dalang sa farm, ah. Yeah. We can take that. Ano kaya ang plants to? This one. Yeah, this one is nice. Oh my God, what's that?
It's already?
Yeah. Parang I don't know. I don't think it's a coconut. No, it's not a coconut, but I don't know what kind of tree yan. Ganda, pwede siyang i-bonsai ah. It's beautiful. Ganda. Yeah, another one. Andun po sila Sam, tsaka sila Osh, tsaka sila Jajiji. Dun malayo-layo po sila. Ito, ano kaya to? Another plant. Ayan. Ganda. Survivor na mga plants. Yan yung mga tolerance nila sa salt is ano, driftwood. Dito wild pa rin po dito. Oh. I don't know kung sa kanila pa rin tong place na to. Pero hindi siya ganun kadaming lamok, ah. I mean, yeah, it's the same with the other, you know. I really don't know what kind of plant that tree. It's beautiful, ah. Yeah. I'm trying to find the mother tree, the same leaves, but matagal na rin po kasi kung umalis sa Pinas. So marami na pong mga trees na hindi ko na alam yung name. Dati kilala mo lahat, di ba po? Kasi sa Bicol kami nun. Alam mo lahat yung mga ano eh. But now, hindi mo na rin kilala. Ah, you have a lot of wood here. Shells. Ayun doon, merong parang coconut tree in the middle of nowhere. Ay nako, nung pa sila sa likod. Mabagal si Chichi maglakad. We're trying to catch up the other kids. Kaya si Chichi naman kasama si ano.
Is that coconut?
Si Kinky tsaka si Kuya Enteng.
Look.
Yeah, this one is coconut.
Coconut, this one. Imagine. It means this is a long time.
Yeah.
And the sound.
The sun, because they love salt. Salt is like their fertilizer. No more